Hi guys, welcome to another episode on styling. So today I'll be sharing few basic guide on how to develop your sense of style from the scratch. If you're somebody who has never been paid any interest on your clothes or have no idea much on styling, but now you want to change that and improve on your styling or just get dressed better, this video is for you. I love making videos. It's so much fun to me and try to connect little heart to heart with you all. But today it's raining heavily here in Bangalore and it's sunsetting. I just want to keep it brief. I know I should have started little earlier, but I kept on procrastinating from morning, maybe because of the weather and all such stuff. Okay, let's begin. Many options and thousands of rules that may double up your confusions. Don't worry, I'm here to help you. So having a good sense of style is a skill that can be improved only by practicing. So initially, your goal should be on observing. Become an expert observer. I mean to say is observe how people are doing it. Pay attention to every little detail. What type of pieces they are wearing, their color mixing or their shoes and accessories, how they are pairing it with their outfit. Start observing these things. Every little detail makes a huge difference. So start training your eye whenever possible. Watch people who are passing by or pay close attention to your co-workers, your friend's outfit. You can also make a great use of social media platforms or fashion magazines as well. The key here is to be more precise on observing. If you like an outfit that you like, figure out what exactly made you feel great about it. Is it the overall vibe of that dress or the color scheme, or it could be a statement jewelry, or just it could be a big sunglass. This is how you train your eye to observe things, what people are wearing and what things resonate with you. Now with this information, you can upgrade your wardrobe either by wearing your existing clothes in a new style or by just adding few new pieces to it. Second thing I would like to tell is to keep it simple. Start with one thing. Maybe you love your shoes. Start building your outfit around them. And start simple, and from there you spread later. Few essential pieces you must have in your wardrobe is a denim jacket. Denim jacket just goes well on any of your outfit. Maybe it's western or your ethnic wear. Just wear it casually, maybe while driving also. And the button down cotton shirts and the cardigans. Cardigans also jazz up your outfit. Or it could be your pullovers. Just have these basic essentials in your wardrobe. Start simple until you're ready for trying something bolder. One thing I would like to tell is always be happy with your own body type. Maybe it could be your thin hair or your square shoulder. Just celebrate them as your assets. Don't try to be of different age. Highlight the wisdom you have gained through the years. Third thing I would like to tell you is to come out of your comfort zone. I've been talking about style sense, wardrobe, aesthetics, and if you are new to all this, it may sound like an impossible task. So how you know whether what you prefer, is it a bold shade or a neutral one, or you should go for a tailor-fitted outfits or just pick up from the store? The only way you can learn is by exposing yourself to tons of aesthetics and experimenting whether what to like and dislike. So people whom you are admiring now for their style sense have gone through these phases in their life at some point of time. So I would likely to tell you hundreds of stories that of all my terrible outfits before I could get settled to my style. So start coming out of your comfort zone. Set few challenges for yourself. Just enter the store and pick up the clothes you haven't tried before and now you want to try. Or you could just go to a tailor, ask for your customizing your outfit if you haven't done before. This is how you can improve on your style. At the end, I would like to tell you is to ask few questions before developing your wardrobe. Does this piece reflect my style and personality? Does this inspire me? Or does this outfit reflect my lifestyle? Or is it suitable to the environment where I'm exposed to? It's not just about looking great, it's about discovering yourself. Instead of asking how to become them, ask yourself how to become you. Hope this guide is helpful if you are starting it from the scratch. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.